Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. In this video, Teacher Shane have some words that I want to teach you right now. It's animal words. Yeah. Do you guys want to know the animal words? Of course you do. So these words, we are going to say it, say it, and spell it. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The first word is goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Very good. The next word is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Awesome. The next word is squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Great. The next word is polar bear. Here we go. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R, polar bear. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R, polar bear. All right. The next word is kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. All right, great job everyone. You did an amazing job saying and spelling the words. You guys did great. Now you guys can rewind this video and go back to learn, say, and spell those words that I just taught you in this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching my video, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.